afternoon everybody, and welcome back to the channel. We're still in Newquay today, and means we're right by Newquay Beach. We've just been into the aquarium, which would have been your last video. It'd be pretty rude not to show you a little view of Newquay Beach, so let's do it. So just in our far corner over there, right up by there, just about to see a cave over there, which looks pretty interesting. Now I think Newquay is pretty famous for its surf, and looking at the waves I can see why, and it is RNLI patrolled. And this is really interesting me over here. You can see like a rock by there with a bridge going to it, and there's actually a house on top of there. If it's not too windy, I'll get the drone up now and show you. I'd love to live there, I don't know about you. No pesky kids up there, except your own obviously.
Throw away the city lights, throw away the...
I've just noticed there are some beach huts over by there, and some food venues across by here as well. And like I said, you've also got the aquarium, which is right here. There are a couple of rock pools dotted around the outside of the beach there. And of course there's some little outcrops in the middle with the water running through. Quite bet there's something in that rock pool in by there. So that's another little bit of a cave. And it looks like to try and stop the eroding, they've put a bit of cement going up that section by there.
Give me a clear night underneath all the stars. I don't want no concrete jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place afar, where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me. If we leave right now, we might make it in time.
Peekaboo, I don't think it's working too well. This is eroding too. So there's that bit of cave over there. It doesn't go very far in, a couple of meters.
The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? I don't wanna leave this place, I don't wanna go. For some reason I felt like that I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come?
And that's where we just were, with more rock pools out in front. It's a lovely beach, and I hope I showed you enough of it. I can't stay here any longer. It's onwards and upwards for more things to film. So please like, comment, subscribe. Wish you guys on the next one. Bye bye for now.